Let's answer these questions. A, we're multiplying powers with the same base. This is like x to the power 1. So we are adding the exponents. So it becomes x, then to the power 3 plus 4 plus 1. It becomes x to the power 8. And then b, let me write b here. We are going to multiply 3 and 4 first. So it becomes 12. And then we have y to the power 3 times y to the power 4. Now these are powers with the same base, so we can add the exponents. So it's 12 times y to the power 3 plus 4, which is equal to 12 times y to the power 7. Right, and then c, we have the coefficients 2 and 16. We can say 2 times 16 here. We get 32. Then this is like a to the power 1 there. So we have a to the power 5 times a to the power 1 times a to the power 2. So 5 plus 1 plus 2, that is 8. So we have 32 times a to the power 5 plus 1 plus 2. So it becomes 32 times a to the power 8.